How to change text-to-speech voice on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome to How To Solution. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change text-to-speech voice on TikTok easily in this tutorial. So first of all guys, open up your TikTok application and just tap at the plus icon to create a new photo or video. So let's just take a real quick video from over here. Now once you're here, all you guys need to do is to add some text and change that to text-to-speech voice. So click on that text icon at the top right corner and just type in something you want. So now to add text-to-speech and then change the voice, you need to tap and hold on the text, and then as you can see, there is a text-to-speech. Now the problem is that you have the same text-to-speech voiceover.
Hi everyone!
But to solve that, all you need to do is you can use another alphabet. For example, I'm going to be using French. I'm going to type something in French. This means hello my friends in French. Then click done. And then we can hold and click add text-to-speech again. And let's see how it goes.
Hi everyone!
Bonjour les amis.
Hi everyone!
Bonjour les amis.
And as you can see guys, the voiceover has changed. So all you guys need to do is change the alphabet language, and that's pretty much it. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That would be much appreciated. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.